Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain the 3 important articles in English: a, an, and the. These are very important because they help us talk correctly about general and specific things in English. Let's begin.
A. We use a before singular nouns that start with a consonant sound. Example: a book, a dog, a phone, a car, a house, a student, a teacher, a pen, a chair. Let's practice. A book is on the table. I saw a dog in the park. She has a phone. He drives a car. They live in a house. He is a student. She is a teacher. I need a pen. There is a chair in the room.
An. We use an before singular nouns that start with a vowel sound. Words: an apple, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an idea, an engineer, an actor, an elephant, an hour. Let's practice. I ate an apple. She has an egg for breakfast. He saw an orange on the table. There is an umbrella near the door. I have an idea. He is an engineer. She is an actor. I saw an elephant at the zoo. The. We use the for specific or definite nouns when both speaker and listener know what we are talking about. Words: the sun, the moon, the city, the door, the teacher, the school, the river. Let's practice. The sun is very bright today. The moon is beautiful tonight. The city is very big. The door is open. The teacher is in the classroom. The school is near my house. The river is very long. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel. I hope you understood a, an, and the clearly. See you in the next lesson.